Today we are going to be changing out a KTM front brake lever. So this is probably one of the easiest things you can do to a dirt bike. It's pretty simple. You just take this black thing, you just have to wiggle it off a little, and after a little bit of wiggling it should just slide right off like this. And now we're going to take an 8mm socket and an 8mm nut, and we're just going to take the brake lever off. So after you loosen the 10mm nut and socket, should just be able to push this right up. So after you unbox your new lever, just put your spring into the little slot designated for the spring. It's just as simple as lining up the hole for the lever, sliding your lever in, then you're just gonna put your bolt in. So after you get your nut and bolt tightened, just adjust your clicker, get your brake all nice and squeaky. Now it's just as simple as sliding this thing back on. So after you slide on your little rubber thing over the brake, you have officially finished your brake lever. Just make sure to adjust your clickers. And by the way, this is a 2020 KTM 250XC. It will work with all other KTMs around this year, It might be a little bit off, but it's relatively all the same. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, just comment back. I'll make sure to reply, and like and subscribe if you want to see more like this.